Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another VR4 video. I'm pretty hyped because today we're going to be focusing on a maintenance video for the VR4. Now, why are we doing this today is because I've had some parts laying around that I've wanted to change out for a while now, including some spark plugs. But the car is, for one, running a little bit funky. It sputters in their boost and it tends to have a hard time starting at times. So I want to change out the spark plugs because those have never been replaced for I don't know how long. I do plan to go out to the guys' house today, so that's pretty much the game plan. Now, why am I doing this is because, for one, it's maintenance, and two, we are going to be taking the VR4 out to get wrapped 2 hours from here out in Indio, California. So I'm actually pretty excited because it's time for a new color, and the car is long overdue for it. So I do want to focus this video on basically just going out with the guys. Now, if you guys think you know what the color of the 3000 GT is going to be, write it down in the comments and let me know. Or if you had a 3000 GT, what color would you wrap it? Made it to the DSM headquarters, and Carlos went ahead and put on my old AB hood on with some Aero Catch hood latches. Lazy's DSM in house. Turbo 428 just sitting there abandoned. Good morning.
Good morning. Bam. What is that?
What's what? Nice camera, huh?
Yeah.
What's this? It's for Danny?
Yeah, it's an AC condenser.
Changing out the radiator? Wait, what's wrong with the radiator?
It's not
nothing. It's not aluminum. Yeah, I spy the lives. This is a discontinued carbon fiber lip for the Eclipses. I haven't seen anybody else with these lips besides you and I. And then of course we have the carbonetics one. When did you get this one? A week ago? 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
And so you just have it chilling here, just cut it?
Yeah, just looks good.
And
I need an update picture.
I know.
It wasn't good enough.
So coming from Eclipses, what do you guys think about this engine layout?
It looks like Tony's.
Yeah, Tony likes it. No, yeah. I got you guys' valve cover.
If we're doing spark plugs, we're gonna have to pretty much remove that plenum over there.
Tight.
Yeah, it's super tight fitting.
This makes my engine bit like small, easy. Oh, small.
Really?
Nah, I still do this in the
Really? Just by looking at it?
Really?
I'm jealous of you right now.
Why?
You got the easiest spark plug job ever.
Eclipse had the easiest spark plug.
That too. What are you doing? You trying to white body my car?
Trying to make some future potentials.
I don't know if I would white body this thing, to be honest. It doesn't look bad though.
Does it?
I like it. I like the 1000 GT white body.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is our first attempt at trying to change out the spark plugs on this 98 VR4. I do have this gasket kit. As you guys can see, it's Felpro MS 95008. And I have the NGK spark plugs. I ended up going with the part number 4554 V-Power. I know we have to take off this intake manifold, this Y pipe, maybe the throttle body. I'm gonna go ahead and search up on the forums real quick, or maybe look up another YouTube video, but I'll put you guys on the GoPro and we'll see what we can get done.
Co's gonna remember how to put all that back together.
All right, so these guys actually took it off like in what, 15 minutes?
Something like
Yeah, this guy already has a V6 Nissan, so give us a quick insight on how you did it, because I didn't even see.
Pretty much what I started out with was removing whatever bolts were on the plenum. So like the 2 nuts here, the other bolts that held it down.
It was a bunch of 12s.
Yeah, just a bunch of 12s. Took off the boost
pipe,
that charge pipe right there.
And then the Y pipe on this side.
Y pipe, then started disconnecting the hoses from the throttle body, and then took off the 4 12s that
for the
connected
throttle
to
body.
it.
Okay.
And just was able to pull that off, and then after that it was just these
For the back side, right? Yeah, so it's 2 bolts holding in that.
This is for the EGR, so we got rid of that. We're gonna actually be deleting that.
Yes.
Bolt here, took off the throttle cable, and then it was easy just to come out.
And it came right out.
Yeah.
And here we have our first official mod. We're gonna be doing an EGR delete on the VR4. They're saying it's gonna throw a check engine light though, huh?
More than likely, yeah.
It's a 3-piece. One of them is pretty much back
Here
here,
should be there.
right here, and then one inside the engine bay. We'll show you guys right now.
So we're gonna start out by removing this. It's
See.
nice and easy. We're gonna have to probably change the bolts out, so we're gonna get that to where it can actually sit into there. So we'll be back once we get those bolts fitted, and we'll show you a finished product on this one too, because we're just gonna be using another one of these ones right there. There we go.
Nice. Looks good.
Yeah.
What do you think, Danny?
Like it. 3SX. Picasso.
Picasso. 4G63 swap. You know it's been done, right?
I have already.
Yeah, there's like a mounting kit for and everything. So.
No, hold on.
But it's the DSM 4G63, not the EVO. And EGR delete is on the back and right here. And for the final 3rd plate, Carlos is already on it.
You want an extendo? For the swivel?
Alright, let me see if I can even get the camera in there. So what are you gonna do for the 3rd plate?
So we're gonna take it off of here. This.
Take what, that hose right there?
Yeah. Legs
Last
don't hurt your
piece.
chest.
Is on.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Lazy drive. You want to do the honors of driving it?
Let's go.
See what you feel?
Oh yeah, test drive.
I want you to try boost.
Oh.
See if it hits boost, and then see if the clutch pedal feels
better.
decent. Yeah. So neutral is all the way to the right and then down. Oh, I think that's 6. You have to feel it. Yeah. Right? No more. Did you get it?
What? That
Oh,
wasn't fair.
nice.
Oh,
There you go.
my
I don't know if it's in, but try it.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Yeah. I didn't know it was like that.
How's the first feel though?
Good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, do second. Good or not?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It goes in.
Try to hit boost right now. Yeah, it feels weird. It feels notchy, huh?
Yeah.
It cuts off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's still cutting off under boost. You think it's, what do you think, fuel pump or some sort of boost leak?
Some sort of boost.
Yeah, I'll probably do a boost leak test once I do the front mount. How do you feel about it since last time you drove? Like, you drove it, it feels nice. It feels like a cruiser though, huh?
Yeah,
like compared to DSMs.
Yeah.
What do you own?
The last time I was in this, when it was stock height, no wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now, you know, it feels stiffer.
Yeah, because
Feels
of
like,
yeah.
Feels like I'm aggressive, and it feels like, you know, I'm stuck down to the ground.
That's about it though, huh? It doesn't feel fast at all, huh?
Not yet.
It feels like a non-turbo Eclipse?
Yeah.
Or even slower?
No. It's a non-turbo.
Well guys, that's pretty much it. We did do the EGR delete and change out the spark plugs. Now that didn't fix the boost cut issue that we're having under full load. I'm assuming it either has to do something with the fuel, either the injectors or the fuel pump, or I have some sort of boost leak somewhere. So I'll have to focus on that later. Of course, I'm trying to tackle things one thing at a time. Of course, it's not easy with this car having the other platforms as well, just they're kind of needing attention as well. Besides that, just make sure you like, you subscribe if you haven't just yet, and I'll see you on the next one.